Hi, my name is Aileen, and this video is about customizing plots in R. There are many ways to customize in R, so I'm only going to go over a few popular options. I used the built-in Penguin data for these plots. Both are showing the exact same data, even though they look quite different. You can see them both on the right side here. So the first one is made with just using plot with all the default settings. The second one is using a number of customization options. So you can see it looks a lot more presentable and it's a lot easier to read. So to start out, you can customize the plot area. So over here, changing type to N suppresses the data plotting, so we can customize it further down. XLab and YLab are the X and Y axis names, and XLim and YLim are the min and max for each axis. And then down below we make the points. So in this case I wanted to split up the points into different colors by species so they were easier to read, and to point out the differences between the species. So there were 3 species of penguins. So for each one I selected the same point shape, that's PCH here. I used point shape 16 for all 3. You can use different shapes if you'd like, but in this case I'm just separating it by color. So you can see the 3 different colors I used for the different species there. And then the next step is to make the legend. For this I used variables to make the legend to just make the whole function easier to read. So the colors on your legend and the symbols on your legend should match your points up above. So you can see I have the 3 colors here. And I also have the same symbol, 16, for all 3 so that it matches. And then for the labels, I've used the 3 species of penguins. So when you put it all together down here for the legend function, X and Y refers to the location of your legend on your plot. X is horizontal, Y is vertical. COL is the colors, so I used my legend colors variable I'd created above. And then PCH is the shape of the points, which I've created above as well, as ledge symbol. And then you do the labels, which are the, in my case, the species names listed here. I made them as ledge label up here. And then BTY is the shape of the legend frame. In this case you can see it's outlined in a rectangle. And then title is just the title of your legend, so it goes here on top. That's all. If you want to know more about customizing your plots, check out Chapter 4 in the R book.